You already know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not even going to talk in this, what to do. Subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all the good stuff. I just have to slap my hands. But let's get straight into this video. I already did my eyebrows and they look mighty fine. Now I'm just going to do some eyeshadow. I'm probably going to go in with this Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to go in with this color right here in my crease. Perfect. And now I'm going to go in with Sienna. Smoke it out. Just so I can get them to blend seamlessly. I'm just going to add some concealer. I'm going to add some concealer to my eye. This is just going to be like a fast soft glam kind of makeup look. And now I'm going to take this pigment and I'm going to place it right on top of the concealer. And this pigment is from Inglot and it's 118. Now I'm just going to go right back in with the Soft Glam. Why did I just say I'm going to go right back in with the Soft Glam? I'm going to go back in with the same colors that I put in my crease. Because I do want to add a little bit of sparkles to it, I'm going to go in with this EK glitter that I got from Murphy. And it's like golden. It's just called butterscotch. And I'm just going to tap it right on top. Now I'm going to go in with my black matte eyeliner from NYX. And just swing it all out. Now I'm going to just go in with this white eyeliner and just put it out right on top of the black. can see. But yeah, this is how it looks. I'm going to put some mascara on and pop my lashes off. I did my eyes, and now I'm going to go ahead and do my face off camera because it is the same thing that I do every time. It's like the same products that I use all the time. Well, I switch it up sometimes, but it's nothing too big. It's just like one or two, nothing crazy. Like when I know that my whole routine is going to change, that's when I'll film another video. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be right back. Anyways, so I'm back, and I did my face, I set it and everything. Now I'm just dusting the powder away. Yes. So for blush, I don't know if I'm feeling a burnt orange or like a rosy color. I am thinking, let's see. I guess I'll go with the Black Radiance Wildberry Baked Blush. Now I'm gonna go with my favorite highlighter. It is from Morphe. Now I'm just gonna go in with a black eyeliner. Put on my freaking mascara. So this is how it looks. I think I'm just gonna go put some gloss on and that's it. I'm not putting anything else on. Because right now my favorite go-to lips is this brown liner and my Fenty glass slipper. I could never say it right. Now I'm just gonna spray my face. So I am back and this is what it looks like. I bought a crimper today and I decided to crimp my crimper. I don't think it's called a crimper. It's technically called a deep wave curling iron. I don't know why I said crimper, but it is so freaking pretty. Like, it took me a long time, but it's so pretty. But yeah, guys, this is a fast makeup look that I did. Nothing crazy, something simple, fast. So you want to go out? It was really fast for me, honestly. It wasn't even that long, and you know my foundation process is not even that long. So yeah, this was like it's so pretty. Like, I'm loving the waves. It makes me look like, ooh. But yeah, guys, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you guys enjoy watching. Yay. Alright, I'm out.